Alright, after comparing over 20 different dash cams for pickup trucks, I found the 5 best dash cams in 2026, ranging from budget-friendly options to premium models. Each one delivers clear day and night footage, reliable wide-angle coverage, and strong build quality that holds up to long drives, rough roads, and extreme weather, whether you're daily driving, hauling loads, or going on long highway trips. But there are also a few dash cams that look great online but fail in real-world use, with poor night video, overheating issues, or unreliable recording, and I'll tell you which ones to avoid later in the video. Links to all the best dash cams for pickup trucks, along with discounts and some extra coupons I found, are in the description. Let's start with number 5. We've got the IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam, and this one is a solid entry if you want full coverage inside and outside your pickup truck without spending big money. What makes it stand out is the true 360-degree recording. You're getting front, rear, left, right, and interior coverage all at once, all recording in full HD. For pickup truck owners, that means your blind spots, cargo area, and cabin are all covered, not just what's in front of the hood. Night driving is handled well too. The interior camera uses 8 infrared lamps, so faces and movement inside the truck stay visible even in complete darkness. That's especially useful if you park overnight or use your truck for work. The camera connects to your phone using 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which feels fast and smooth when downloading clips. No paid app nonsense either. The app is free to use. It also comes with a free 128 GB memory card so you can install it and start recording right away. Loop recording and the built-in G sensor automatically save impact footage, while parking mode keeps an eye on your truck when it's parked. And instead of a battery, it uses a supercapacitor, which is a big plus for pickup trucks that sit in extreme heat or cold. Just keep in mind it doesn't have GPS and needs the included car charger or a hardwire kit to run properly. At number 4, we've got the ROVE R2 4K dual dash cam. This one sits in the upper mid-range, and honestly, it's built for people who want serious video quality without jumping into ultra-premium pricing. Up front, it records true 4K at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera captures full HD, so you're covered from both directions. That wide 150-degree front view and 140-degree rear view means you're catching multiple lanes, not just what's directly ahead. Low light performance is where this model really shines. It uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor combined with a wide aperture, so night footage stays clear and detailed instead of grainy. License plates, street signs, and motion are much easier to identify after dark. Transferring footage is fast thanks to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, pulling clips to your phone at up to 20 megabytes per second using the ROVE app. You also get built-in GPS, which stamps speed and location directly onto videos, useful for insurance or evidence. It includes a free 128 GB card, supports up to 1 TB, and uses a supercapacitor, so it handles heat and cold better than battery-based cams. Parking protection is covered too, with multiple 24-hour parking modes when hardwired. At number 3, we've got the REDTIGER F7 NP 4K front and rear dash cam. This one sits right in that mid-range sweet spot where you start getting serious features without overpaying. And yeah, this is where dash cams begin to feel reliable, not just basic. You're getting true 4K recording up front and full HD in the rear, powered by the Starvis 2 sensor. In real driving, that means sharper license plates, clearer street signs, and much better detail at night.
The wide angles, 170 degrees in front and 140 in the rear, cover almost everything around your car, which really helps in accidents or hit and runs. Night driving is where this cam shines. With WDR and a wide aperture lens, headlights don't blow out the footage and darker areas stay visible. It also comes with built-in GPS, so speed and location are recorded directly into your videos, super useful for insurance or disputes. Connecting it to your phone feels fast thanks to 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, letting you download clips quickly through the app. And you don't need to buy storage separately. A free 128 GB memory card is included right in the box. Parking protection is covered too, with motion and impact detection when hardwired. Plus, instead of a battery, it uses a supercapacitor, so it handles heat much better, especially in summer. At number 2, we've got the TERUNSOUl D0183 Triple Channel Dashcam. This one sits in that serious upgrade zone, especially if you want full coverage without guessing what happened around your car. What really stands out here is the triple camera setup. You're getting 4K on the front, 4K on the rear, and full HD inside the cabin, all recording at the same time. That means license plates, road signs, and even cabin activity come out sharp, not blurry. With wide angles on all 3 cameras, it almost feels like a full 360 view around your vehicle. Night driving is handled extremely well. The front and rear lenses use wide apertures for low light, and the cabin camera has invisible infrared lights, so even in complete darkness, faces and details are clearly recorded. That's especially useful for rideshare drivers or families traveling at night. Out of the box, it already includes a 128GB memory card, so you don't need to buy anything extra. Loop recording keeps things running smoothly, while the G sensor automatically locks footage during sudden impacts. It also supports up to 512GB, which is great for long trips. Transferring footage is fast thanks to Wi-Fi 6, letting you download clips quickly on your phone through the app. Built-in GPS records speed and routes directly on the video, adding extra proof if you ever need it. And 24-hour parking mode, your car stays protected even when you're away. At number 1, we've got the Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam, and this one is clearly built for people who want maximum coverage and zero compromises. This is a true 4-channel setup, recording the front, rear, cabin, and rear cabin angles together, so there are no blind spots at all. The video quality stays sharp with a 2.7K front camera, dual Full HD interior views, and a high-resolution rear camera, which makes license plates, faces, and surroundings easy to identify. Night driving is where this really separates itself. All 4 cameras use Starvis 2 sensors, which handle low light extremely well. Even in dark streets or parking garages, footage stays clear without glare, and the infrared cabin cameras keep everything visible inside the car. For parked cars, the 24/7 buffered parking mode is a huge deal. It records incidents before and after impact, so hit-and-runs or break-ins don't go undocumented. Add in the G sensor and loop recording, and critical clips are automatically locked and saved. Daily use is smooth too. You get 5 GHz Wi-Fi, dual GPS, voice control, and app access for quick video review and sharing. It supports up to 1 TB storage, which means weeks of driving footage without constant cleanup. The supercapacitor design also handles extreme heat and cold far better than battery-based dashcams.
So if you want a dashcam that works as a full-time driving and parking security system with premium video, true 4-channel coverage, and long-term reliability, the Vantrue N5S easily earns the #1 spot. So that wraps up our list of the best dashcams for pickup trucks in 2026. Whether you're hauling loads, driving long highways, or just want extra safety and peace of mind, the right dashcam can make a huge difference in real-world situations. Now, if any of these dashcams caught your attention, you don't have to search around. I've added all the discounted links in the description of this video. I also managed to find some extra coupons, and those are linked there as well, so you might save a bit more depending on the deal. Go check the description, compare the prices, grab the best offer, and pick the dashcam that fits your truck and driving style best.